Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. My name is Cherry and I'll be your host for today's webinar. Today's topic, tips and tricks for a smarter and faster financial close, will be presented by Mark Hughes, our senior ERP subject matter expert, and our guest speaker, Andy Brown, our solutions consultant. Both Mark and Andy have more than 30 years of experience in the ERP industry, primarily working with small and mid-sized businesses. They both have helped hundreds of organizations better manage their internal operations so that they can grow fast and drive profit. Now, without further ado, we'll turn the time over to Mark and Andy.
Thank you, Cherry. Welcome, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in the world. And I know we've got people from various places. Today's webinar will be about 20 minutes, so hopefully won't take up too much of your time. And our aim is just to give you some thought-provoking ideas on how to do month ends, or what month ends or period ends mean, and some of the ways that a modern system might help you do those more efficiently. It's one of the single biggest questions we get asked during ERP selection processes, or one of the single biggest things that's raised is month-end processing and speeding up month-end processing and all of those type of things. So we're going to share with you some of our experiences from that, and away we go. So month-end closing, or how to make the books balance quicker, as I like to think about it. So really, when I was preparing this webinar, I came across this great quote on the web. I'm not going to credit the person that said it, but the goal of any organization should be the ability to produce timely and accurate financial statements within a reasonable period of time after the month has ended. I think the goal of most organizations is to make money, to drive profit, to grow, those types of things. But I love the fact this was obviously written by an accountant that thought that the main goal of every business is to produce the period end statements. Of course, I'm being a little facetious there, but fundamentally, helping businesses to succeed and everything else is about understanding, and about understanding is having that data to support what you do, and part of that comes from your period end reporting. So there we go. Why are producing your month end, your period end statements so important? I think, as I've